sway. This right here is my
Dance.
sway. All the girls
A fun activity.
this right here is my
Or
sway.
deadly. Take this woman here. She had a good life. She had friends, people who cared about her. She even had a boyfriend who she was about to marry. But then one day, after sustaining a massive concussion, she couldn't remember anything. Not even the man she fell in love with. It crushed her loved ones to see her like this. It took weeks of picture therapy and countless visits for her to even start to remember. So remember, don't dance, or you could end up like this, or this, or even this.
My sister